In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see conversations history in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on conversation view and quickly find the full back and forth of any email thread. Start by opening a web browser and signing into your Yahoo Mail account. Using a desktop browser will give you the clearest view for the settings we're about to adjust. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the upper right corner for the small gear icon. That opens your mail settings. Click the gear icon, then choose More Settings. On the left side, select Viewing Email. Here, you'll see an option labeled either Group by Conversation or Conversation View, depending on your version. Toggle that setting to On. This organizes related messages by subject into a single, tidy thread, so every reply and forward in the same conversation appears together instead of being scattered throughout your inbox. It's a real time saver, especially if you've had a long exchange on one topic. Save your changes if you're prompted. In some cases, the setting will save automatically. With Conversation View enabled, you're ready to pull up your history. Go back to your inbox and use the search bar at the top. Type in a keyword or phrase that appears in the messages you're looking for. You can include a contact's name or a specific topic to narrow things down. The search will surface threads that match, and because they're grouped, you'll see one entry for the whole conversation rather than lots of separate messages. Click any conversation to open it. Inside the thread, scroll to move through the entire history of exchanges. The newest messages are usually at the top, but you can scroll down to see earlier parts of the discussion. If any sections look collapsed, expand them to reveal older replies so you don't miss context. This view keeps everything in sequence, which makes it easy to follow who said what and when. If you ever prefer the old, individual message layout, you can return to the same viewing email setting and turn conversation view off. But for tracking details, reviewing timelines, or preparing a response, leaving it on helps you stay organized and reduces the chance of overlooking an important reply. That's it. Sign in, turn on Conversation View, search for your topic, and open the thread to review the full history. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.